Hello everyone, Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today we're going to take a quick walkthrough on this 2024 Scout 251 XSS. Beautiful black hull. You see we have the midnight edition. Everything is blacked out, powder coat. On the back here you can see we have a massive 400 B10 Mercury outboard. This thing is going to fly. Let's take a look inside. Now that we're in this 251 XSS, you can see back here that we have tons of casting deck. Doubles as seats, lift up all the seats, and then underneath are your live well or bait well. So you have, under each seat is a live well. You have cup holders, easy access to a cooler, plenty of rod storage. You have the rocket launchers up back. You have rod storage in the back of the helm seat. You have rod storages on the back, along with your fresh and raw water washdowns. Here at the helm seat, beautifully laid out with your Garmin MFD, nice black steering wheel, digital throttle, all your switches, and then of course your mercury gauges. As we make our way to the bow, this is a perfect entertaining area. This comes up and will double as a table, or you can use it for casting. Tons of casting. This boat gets in shallow water. It does have a jack plate, and you have storage under both sides. Here, more storage. You can put a little porta potty in there if you wish. This boat is perfect for fishing, entertainment, all around perfect boat. All right, that's gonna wrap up this 2024 Scout 251 walkthrough. If you have any questions, you wanna check this boat out, come stop by MarineMax Coco or give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thanks for watching.